What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2010 Toyota Tundra with the 5.7 iForce V8. She's got the running board. She's got the big shiny wheels. She's got the Terra grappers or grapplers. She's a good sized truck, man. Not gonna lie, she's a good sized truck. Flex fuel, E85 4x4. Tires look decent. Got them Nittos. This is not a bad looking truck. Oh, you even got a carbon fiber mini antenna. Man, look at that. Wow. This thing is just blowing my mind. It says it's a run and drive. Let's take a look. Bed looks good. How's the interior? Actually, wow. It doesn't smell bad, and it looks pretty good. 242,000 miles, no kidding. It sure doesn't look like it, guys. You could have told me this thing had like 60,000 miles on it, I would have believed it. I would have believed it. It looks that good. It's got power, so let's see what she'll do. Someone took good care of this. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. How much is this? I want this. What is that noise? There we go. Oh man, the AC is ice cold. You got the tow haul mode, the rear window. Climate control is working like a champ. I mean, an absolute beast. Warning lights on the dash. Let's take a look. No. TPMS light. There we go. We have a TPMS light right there. That's it. That's it. Steering feels good. Brakes feel great. Goes right into gear. Oh yes. This is nice. USB and an aux input right there. What about the radio? Got a radio? Radio works. We're on a roll on this one. Important window. Wow. How did this end up here? Next service due 9/15 of 22. That means someone just took it in. Yeah, it just had an oil change. Its next service is due at 2:46. It's got 2:42. Someone just took this in for service, and here it is, sitting out here at Copart. I gotta pull this up real quick, guys. I need to see how much this is going for. You guys tell me what you think. This thing is sitting at $5,300 right now. And I mean, I want you to really look at how clean this is. This is insane. It doesn't look like it's hardly been used at all. How it's got 250,000 miles on it is beyond me. I have no idea. I really have no idea. This thing looks phenomenal. Somebody babied this thing. They took such good care of it. Very rare to see something this nice. Although, I almost feel like 6, 8, 10 months ago, maybe we saw this sitting out here. I don't know. I don't know. I seem to remember finding one of these in the past that was just in too good a condition to be true. Look at it. Listen to it. It runs like it's brand new. The paint's a little dull. The tires and wheels are dirty. But it's nothing that can't be clean. I'm telling you, send this to the auto spa, you get this paint brought back out, shine up those headlights, and you've got a hell of a truck on your hands, man. I can't fault this truck at all. I can't. It is absolutely, tailgate's locked. Other than that, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful truck. Comment below, tell me what you think. This is one I'm very tempted to put a bid on. I am. I don't know what I would do with it. I would end up buying it, driving it for a few days and going, yep, it's a great truck. Then I'd end up having to sell it because I have absolutely no use for a truck like this. Not something this nice. not something this nice. Something raggedy, sure. Ooh, I got the hiccups. I can't see myself needing a truck this nice. Okay. Let's see if anything in the glove box. It's got the books. It does that. Has the books. I guess that's it for this one. Moving on. Next on my list, the car that everybody loves to hate. Well, or the car everybody loves nowadays. It's a 2008. Yeah, there you go. Toyota Prius. I've had a few Priuses, and they're all right cars. This one's been repainted. You can see there's paint all over this trim that should have been black, so it's been repainted before. Yep, 08 Prius. I don't know what level it is, but it took a hit in the back. Oh, it used to be blue. Okay. It used to be blue. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely worse in person than it is in the pics. So I'm glad I came and looked at it. Yeah, this is pretty bad. This is pretty bad. I mean, I knew it was bad. You could see how crunched in it was, but I was like, is it really that bad? I mean, okay, you push this stuff out with a porta power or whatever, put a new crash bar on it with the extension plate right there, and you throw a bumper on it. Call it good. Well, what I couldn't see is that the hatch was smashed in, so the hatch needs to be replaced as too. This tail light there needs to be replaced, and it says it doesn't run. I find that interesting. How bad is the damage back here, I wonder? Let's have a quick peek. It's not that bad. It's really not. There's your battery right there. I bet we could put a jump. I bet it runs. I do. I bet it runs. We'll see. I don't even see the miles. Yeah, I don't even know how many miles this thing's got on it. I think the buy it now on it's like, hell, I don't even remember. I'll have to look and tell you. But why don't I put a jump on it real quick? Let's see if we can get it to do anything. All right, we gave her the juice. I bet she runs. And whoever painted this, they just did a horrible, horrible job, man. Woo, it is 1,000 degrees in here. Uh-oh. What's going on here? No, she's not gonna run? Really? No kidding. She is saying hell no. Yeah, that does nothing. Wait. I hear noise. Wait. No. Huh. Okay. Well, let's pop the hood. Hell, maybe this one doesn't. I don't see any reason why a tap in the back would cause it to stop running. Oh. Well, it wouldn't. But I'll tell you what would. If you come under here and you start messing around with the electronics, maybe. Yeah, who knows? Maybe it's missing a fuse or a relay or something. I don't know. Damn it, man. Oh, it's a dealer car. That's interesting as well. CDS, it's a dealer's car. It's been hit in the back. Okay. Okay, well, I can't argue that it doesn't run, and it was listed as such, but I thought for sure it was just going to be a matter of putting a jump on it. There's no way that a little hit back there should have caused it to not run anymore. Unless there's a lot of electronics, maybe there's something back here that I'm not aware of. I have noticed a lot of times when a Prius gets hit in the back, same things with, I think Teslas, a lot of EVs, if they get hit in the back, it's almost always done. It's over. It's totaled, and that's it. This one, though, it just didn't look that bad. I'm still looking at it. I don't see it being that bad that it could cause it not to run, but, well, I mean, the car speaks for itself. It doesn't run. Yes, I know, the Mercedes is still here, and everybody thinks I should get it. The problem is, guys, they're still wanting like $5,000 for this thing. And, oh, that's rough. They're still wanting $5,000 for this thing. It is in absolutely awful condition, man. The body's all right. You know, the body's decent. The interior is ratted out. It is literally rats. It is disgusting. The engine is locked up. Not for $5,000. I'll give you $500 for it. $500, and I'll try to find a way to put an LS engine in it. Other than that, I have no interest in this car. Let's move on. We got one more left. And here it is, a 2008 Nissan Titan with 217,000 miles on the odometer. The bids, it goes up for auction in about 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Bids are sitting at 1,100 bucks. 1,100 bucks. It's supposed to be a run and drive. It is a donated vehicle. This really doesn't look bad at all, does it? It really doesn't. It's got good tread on the tires. The body's got a few minor dings and scuffs and some paint peel here and there, but honestly, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad at all. Let's take a look at the interior and see what she looks like. Woo, it's hot. Wow. I mean, it is 105 degrees today, so I don't know why I'm surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised that it's so hot in here. Let's take a look in the back. This is really dirty. Like, this is really dirty, guys. Really, really dirty. The dashboard looks to be intact, though. Battery is dead. So, oh, there's spider webs in here, too. That's different. I've seen spider webs a lot of places, but inside the car, that's a little concerning. Oh, she's got power. Let's start it up. It's like that. It's like that. Okay. That's fine. I got a booster pack for this very reason. $1,100 though, really? That is not bad. I'm curious to see how it runs. Maybe it'll run great, or maybe not so much. But for 1,100 bucks, that's a hell of a deal on a pickup truck, guys. Really. All right, here we go. Get off of there. This has been such a good booster pack, guys. If anybody is interested in anything that I have used on the channel, sorry, it's getting hot. I think I'm getting freaking delirious out here or something. The booster pack is, I guess, what I'm trying to say. I'm losing it, man. The booster pack, it's in the description box below. One of the links down there will take you straight to the booster pack, and you can go get one for yourself. Oh. That didn't sound good, but that's okay. That's okay. Maybe it's not knocking anymore. Maybe it just needed to fire up and build up some oil pressure. Oh, no. No. It's quiet at idle, but if you give it a little gas, there it is. Yeah, she's got a lower end knock. I'm not having any daggum luck today, man. None. This is crazy. Ew, I just touched all of that, and it's now all over me. Lovely. Important window works. Yes. Yes. Brakes, they feel good. Steering feels sticky, but it works. Yeah. Goes forwards and backwards. Air conditioning, hell, I don't know. Let's try that out. Yeah, air conditioning works. It actually works really well. Works really well. Something's missing there. I don't know what that used to be, but that's gone. Ooh. Ooh, gross. This smells awful. Now that the air conditioning's on, it smells even worse. Yeah, this is absolutely, this is nasty, guys. This is nasty. This is real nasty. Service engine soon light. TPMS light. It's out of gas, but I mean, hell, if you want to put an engine in it, or maybe you can get away with just putting some bearings in it. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Let's try it. Let's turn that off. Actually, I'm not hearing it now. Hold on. Hold on. No, I don't hear the knock anymore. There it is. Yeah, okay. It's not a bad knock, guys. It's really, I know I'm gonna get people getting all pissed off. You should be revving it up, you know it's gonna run, knock. You're intentionally trying to destroy it. No, I'm not trying to destroy it. I need to hear the severity of the knock and verify that it is even a knock. I heard it when I first started it. The first time I revved it, I heard it, but it seemed like as it warmed up a little bit, it kind of went away for the most part, but it's still there ever so slightly. It does have a little knock to it. So that's something to take into consideration. This is a short one, guys, because everything I looked at today appears to be junk. So we're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the short, sweet, and to the point video. If you did, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop those comments down below, guys. I will see you very, very soon in the next one.